What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kalibu 24/7. You already know what date it is. It is a Monday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do consider clicking on this red button, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells, of course, and don't forget to like the video, as this will go a long way and reach many more people. So please do drop that thumbs up. Let's focus on this week's analysis. Without wasting more time, let's jump straight into the video. Yo guys, gold did wonders. We did gold last week. Told you I'm more hyped about gold, explained my reasons why, and people killed gold. You know, we made so much money with gold. Probably I'll put some screenshots, testimonies from the students, not my own account but the students account, and see that, you know, people really did make money. I myself made money. Told you guys that gold will sell, actually will not sell, but will buy, because it's done with the 3-level cycle, and it looked good on 1 hour with price action. You know, looking at this movement right here, I knew that gold is about to shoot up, right? Hence I said it's good if you buy somewhere around there. So this was a support. This formed a W, broke above, we took an entry, and it rallied all the way to the upside. So we made money with gold. I'm still not going to analyze much. I'm still going to say buy gold, buy more gold, buy more gold. But instead of you just buying gold, because of NFP, I was expecting gold to drop hard, just for manipulation purposes, but they did not do that. So I'm just going to drag this and also this one, and now let's analyze for this week's movement. Alright, so guys, here's what's happening with this week. I see gold selling probably just for this week, but not that much. Probably it's gonna drop for 1 day or two. It's already Monday, recorded a bit late today, but it's all good. The market is already open, right? So the market broke below and now it's just retracing, and I'm looking that should it break this level right here, this trend line, man, gold is gonna go down hard. So as soon as the market drops below this trend, you can take a sell. Even now it's also good to take a sell just about here, but I don't see value in me selling now, knowing that gold is supposed to be bullish all the time. So it makes no sense for me to take a aggressive entry right there, knowing that 90% chances are that I will lose money. So I'd rather wait for the market to break down there and then start taking my entries. But for those who are aggressive and don't want to wait and do all of that, you find the market consolidating somewhere around here when the video is uploaded, you can still take the position. Put your stop loss somewhere above there, and your take profit is all the way down there. So the risk ratio is quite good, right? So with gold this week, I see gold selling at least till this point, right? Just retracing this head and shoulders, because this is a shoulder, a head, and now potential shoulder can form right there. But already a small shoulder has happened. But knowing that market likes to come back and, you know, form big things on a bigger time frame, I still do believe that gold will probably drop till this zone and then from here push towards the upside. But we'll just have to see. Just keep note that gold is bullish and we are buying more of gold than just selling. So that's it with today's analysis with gold. We are looking to sell for now short, and then we're gonna buy long, which is we're gonna swing trade, almost like scalp, but we're gonna swing trade with gold on a buy, because we entered somewhere down there and we're still holding. So we're looking that gold will pick up the momentum and continue shooting all the way up. Yo, with USD JPY, you see that we took a buy right there. We made some profits. but the market pushed down. Now the reason for this, remember, the overall direction is a downtrend with USD JPY, right? Let me zoom out. So as you can see, the direction overall trend is a downtrend, so it makes sense why the market could not push all the way to the upside till it touches this zone, but it just reversed from nowhere and started to push back to the downside. Also, this, I think it was caused because like it's NFP week, so they tried to drop the dollar to the lowest point so that by Friday they can start to shoot to the upside. And you know, I don't know, the exchange rate could be cheap. I don't want to say people can afford the dollar because it's not like stocks, whereas now companies have to shorten their share price just for people to can be able to afford to buy in more, right? So in this case, it's more or less the same, but in currency pairs. I think they just had to drop the market so that the dollar can have more momentum and more buyers when it comes to the NFP, which was on Friday. And if you look closely, let me change back to 1 hour, you will see that it dropped all the way till the support, retesting this zone and pushed to the upside at NFP. So I see USD JPY being trapped between these two prices, right? So because of this first touch, second touch, and the third touch, and the market dropped aggressively, it makes sense to me why to start my trend line right there. And the market has been pushing up to the upside. Remember, Friday the market pushed all this, like with this one candlestick, this right there, that was NFP. Hence you see the market, like the wicks all over both sides of the candlestick, and the market pushed overall towards the buying side, right? So what happened is it failed to break this zone because of this trend, and now the market is just trapped between these two. So two things can happen. It's either the market now will sell, do this until it runs out of space, and then break to the upside, come back, and then push overall towards the upside. If that's not gonna happen, because like remember, the market is like selling overall direction, so this can be the case that the market does this, come back probably, and continue dropping towards the downside. So two scenarios are possible. Just make sure you are patient with whichever breaks first, and then wait for some type of a retest of some sort, then take in your entry. Don't just jump in. So with USD JPY, I really don't have a direction right now according to 1 hour's analysis, but looking at the overall trend, it makes sense to me to sell USD JPY since gold is going to be buying more. But also remember that I'm anticipating that gold sells just a bit. So should gold sell, then USD has to push towards the upside. Probably it will push all the way till maybe that price right there, and then from there USD JPY starts or continues to sell. So with USD JPY, we're not only clear, but it makes more sense to sell this since gold will be buying more. So sell USD JPY, buy more gold. Yo guys, it's been a while since we checked EURUSD. We lost our trade previously. We wanted to sell somewhere around there. Market pushed to the upside. Actually, we did not even enter the trade because it never broke below this zone. Therefore, it went to the upside, came back down aggressive, and kept on pushing towards the upside. So a tip from me: just buy euro. Just buy euro in bulk. USD is selling, euro is buying, gold is buying, GBP is buying. So just buy these pairs, stop selling. You see a sell, it's fine. Let the market sell. Look for your buying opportunities, and you enter the market aggressively. You know, as reference would say, shire. So share the market with the buys, guys. Just that simple. So let's analyze for this week's market and see what's really happening. Is the market gonna buy more, or should we just stop trading? Since it's December, guys, there's no more liquidity on the market. NFT just passed, no more fundamentals of that much value, and hence you will see the market is very moving slow. Looking at Nasdaq last week, it was just dancing on one place, you know, just consolidating. But let's jump straight into this week's analysis on EURUSD and see what's happening. All right, so with this pair, guys, definitely we are moving towards the upside, but right now it looks like we just broke the trend. We might just be coming down. It also makes sense why we might be coming down just for this week or just for 2 days and then start running back up, because remember, gold has the potential to sell for 1 or 2 days. Like I said, even EURUSD has the potential to sell for 1 or 2 days just to retest. Probably, maybe, I don't see it dropping all the way down there, but it is possible. But I'm just gonna put my my thoughts just about there. Alright guys, so this is what I'm seeing with EURUSD. We just broke this trend line right there. We are selling right now, potentially till this price, and then from that zone we're gonna rally back to the upside. So it's a buy with EURUSD. Already the sells, they've moved. Unless you're a scalper, then you can scalp. Maybe even day trading, you can still day trade this one. So yeah, we are buying more euro, we are buying more GBP USD, we are buying more gold, but just for today. I don't suggest trading today since it's also Monday. Let's just rather wait for the market to do its things today, and then maybe start trading from tomorrow, see if it does what we want. Because I'm not more hyped about selling this thing, you know. Chances are this market can just reverse from now, push to the upside. So I'd rather just wait for the market to touch this and take my buying opportunity than me to sell there and the market starts pushing to the upside. Because once it starts pushing to the upside, I'm more hyped at buying the market on this price of let's just say 1.21580, just about there. That's when I'm looking to buy this market, because it makes more sense to me. Or rather just about here. Let me just put it down there, not so far, but at 1.2021 450 right there. I take my buying opportunities with EURUSD. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Enjoy the rest of your December. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not, and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video like this one. And that, it's been your boy Kaliba signing out. Peace.